Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning. Today we are going to use conditional formatting in Excel to highlight movies by genre or year. This feature is perfect if you want to filter and focus on specific types of movies in your list. Stay with me till the end and let's jump right in. Here we have a list of 20 movies, their genres and their release years. Let's say we want to highlight all movies of a certain genre, like action or comedy. First, let's add a drop-down list for genres so that we can quickly choose a genre to highlight. Select the F2 cell. Go to the Data tab. Select Data Validation and choose List. In the source box, select the genre list from column B. Now we can select any genre from the list and we will set conditional formatting to automatically highlight all movies of that genre. With the drop-down ready, let's move on the conditional formatting. Select the entire movie list, columns A to D, so that the highlighting will apply across all information for each movie. Go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting and select New Rule. In the New Rule window, we will choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. This allows us to set a condition based on our selected genre. In the formula box, first select the B2 cell. Make sure to unlock the row reference so that the formula applies down the entire genre column. Then select the F2 cell, where B2 is the first genre cell in your table and F2 is the cell with the drop-down list for genres. Let's make the selected genre stand out by choosing a color to highlight the entire row. Now click on Format, select Fill and pick a fill color. Hit OK. Click OK again to apply the rule. Now any movie in your list that matches the selected genre will be automatically highlighted, making it easy to see at a glance. Let's try out the drop-down. I will choose a genre and see how Excel instantly highlights only those movies. You can repeat these steps to create another drop-down list for published years and apply conditional formatting to highlight movies by year too. And that's it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Learning for more quick Excel tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.